Osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure may be defined as extra pressure that must be applied to the solution side to prevent the flow of solvent into solution through a semi-permeable membrane. Now here is the diagram to understand about the osmotic pressure. From here the pressure is applied. Why? To prevent the solvent into solution side. Now in osmosis we have seen that solvent is passing into the solution side. It is called osmosis. Now if we apply pressure from this direction, and here in this diagram we see that these are solution. Now due to osmosis what happened? That means कि solvent is entering into the solution side. Now we have to check this passes by applying pressure. So pressure is applied, due to which what happened? No solvent can enter. This is called osmotic pressure. That means the pressure which is applied to check the flow of solvent into solution. So here it is a membrane, semi-permeable membrane, by which solvent entering into the solution side. Now pressure is applied, by which the inflow is stopped or checked. The osmotic pressure is also a colligative property because it depends upon the number of moles of the solute and obeys the ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. Now what happened in the osmotic pressure? Instead of P we are writing pi. So pi V is equal to nRT. So what is pi? Pi is osmotic pressure, and this equation is also called Van 't Hoff equation, where V is the volume of the solution, N is number of moles of the solute, T is the temperature, absolute temperature, and R is the solution constant or called gas solution constant, which is equal to the gas constant. Thank you.